going to Bird Park and enjoy the nature. It's another adventure today, going to Bird Park.
Yes, and we are going to see penguins, eagles, ostrich. Wow, flamingo.
We're in the Bird Park.
So nice.
We're here.
Can we see peacocks?
And we are here. Hi everyone, welcome. We're here at Bird Park and let's enjoy and explore Bird Park and come and join us. Everyday MCG exploring. Just come and join us and enjoy the view and of course and the rest of the day. Let's go inside into the Bird Park. Come and join. Let's go to Bird Park. Enjoy and have a picture first. Okay, exploring Bird Park, Singapore Bird Park. Enjoy the view. Have a safe trip to everybody. And here they have a fish pond. It's just in the entrance. Oh, toys. Baby fishes. Look at that. There's a lot of fishes in the ocean. Let's go. Over here, that's a ticket booth. And of course, the souvenir shop over there. Yeah, so we're gonna go there later. And this is the ticket booth over there, which is closed because the booking here is currently online. Yeah, so these are the supposedly ticket booth. But now they are all closed. Everything is to be booked online. And the ticket to purchase for adults and the children for adults is $98. And for kids are just, and that is worth for 4 bucks. And actually this time is very cheaper compared to, of course, those days that there's no pandemic. So now the ticket is for adults is about $30 and for children is about $28. And let's go and explore Bird Park. Okay, let's go inside. And also they have an electronic gantry for this. Pay. Go in. Excited. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So excited. And the side. Shall we explore the penguins first? Shall we explore penguins? And the penguins is over there. Let's go to the penguins. Okay. Over here first, Ken. We go to the cold area first. Come, let's go. And yeah, this area is a penguin's den. We're gonna go in here. And yeah, this is a very cool site here where the penguins are insect. And actually, they are from Antarctica. Okay, and the penguins are all inside. Ken, come here. And the small penguins are here. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, they're so cute. Wow, all the penguins dressed up.
Where's baby?
See? They go up to the staircase there. There's a staircase. Oh, look, there's a tiny bird. Mommy, come up here, then your video will be more nicer.
We're going to Flamingo area, and yeah, let's just walk and witness. Oh, there you are. Actually, they are there. They are the flamingos. It's a little stinko over here, but they are very, very nice. Wow, look at that. The flamingos are still alive in the bird park, Jurong Bird Park.
What is that?
What was that?
It's a chameleon.
Where?
No, it's a monitor lizard.
Oh, there is. It's just walking around.
It's a monitor lizard.
There you are.
It was just from there.
Yeah. So it's just anywhere you can see, because this is like a zoo. This is a bird park. See, they are walking all the flocks where the one
I
goes
think
to,
the queen is over
the other
there.
one will follow. Yeah.
They are all
So everyone is following.
You see, they are crowding around, walking around. And I
Correct.
saw, yeah, I saw a monitor lizard over there. Up there.
Baby, that's a bird.
Ano yung flamingo?
Flamingo.
Mango. That's a monkey.
Mango.
He wants to flamingo, wants to show
Angela said it's mango.
mango flamingo.
Flamingo, baby.
Why there's two? There's two monitor lizards.
They're family. And this is the kids area where the kids can enjoy the water. Supposed to be, they can play the water here, but because of the pandemic, oh, it's very hot. I'm using a, when I see this area, I feel that I'm in, it's a kind of a home feeling of I'm at home where I come from, Philippines. Yeah, you see this area. It's like I'm just in Philippines, where my husband place in Aritao. So let's just enjoy the nature. And yeah, it's super hot, so I'm just using umbrella. Move over. And yeah, so this is the instruction.
Let's go to Pelican Cove.
We're going to where? Pelican Cove. And yeah, this is very good activity for children, and of course for themselves as well, because we are like exercising and sweating. So yes, another pelican. Oh, it's still a flamingo. We're gonna go to Flamingo Lake. Okay, let's move forward. And I saw a lot over there. This area is really kept well, and we are just, because of the pandemic, are just, you can see a few people here. And it's because, yeah, I think they're controlling people. So still again, let's just enjoy our ice from these creatures. When you walk here, there's a flamingo bridge where the flamingo encounter, and they are not flying. You see, they are human friendly. You see, you just don't touch them or else they will fly away. Oh, see, when you are, don't just disturb them. Everywhere here is flamingo. These are the bigger flamingo. That's the biggest flamingo. Don't be scared, baby.
Oh, there's a flamingo.
The mouse can eat, can stop food and the fish and the water.
I think he's eating fish. Right?
Yeah, she's catching fish. In the middle, you notice that there's a nest for them to where they lay their eggs. Yeah. So I guess there's a lot of eggs over there, which we cannot see how many eggs are those. But yeah, that is their nest. So they have to make more of the pelicans, flamingos, not pelicans, flamingos. Okay, and let's walk further back to the place. And yeah, so this is me with my umbrella. Let's walk. Okay. It's kind of hot, and yeah, I just like to use umbrella to cover because I'm sweating a lot. So let's just enjoy again and see what we can witness more over here. There's a little people inside here. If we are really not close to each other, it's just us. It's just us, everybody.